Hello and welcome to the course Learn Wave Accounting to Maintain Books Properly. And as the name suggests, this course is going to teach you how to use the accounting software called Wave. And I am your instructor. My name is. I have made this course keeping in mind the needs of entrepreneurs and small businesses who are on a budget looking to keep their books through Wave Accounting. So, firstly, let's see why you should use Wave Accounting software instead of any other accounting software to maintain your accounts. So, the first reason is Wave is absolutely free software, free accounting software. The second reason is it is a cloud accounting software offering flexibility. This means you can access your books of accounts from any device, any place, at any point of time. The third reason is it allows you to maintain more than just one account for your business. And also, it allows to include your personal account along with your business accounts. Moving on, now let me tell you how you can take this course. This course is divided into 3 sections, keeping in mind the different uses of Wave Accounting. The first part includes basic concepts of accounting that will help those from a non-finance background. The second part includes all the features of Wave Accounting that needs to be used by an entrepreneur for his day-to-day business activities. The third part is all about accounting, like classification of income and expenses, bank reconciliations, etc. Moving on, now who should take this course? This course can be taken by any entrepreneur, freelancers, consultants, professionals like doctors, lawyers, artists, and others, those who want to maintain their own books of accounts in Wave Accounting software. This course can also be taken by those entrepreneurs who have their accountants to maintain their books but wants to have an understanding about how to do invoicing, billing, etc. This course can also be taken by accountants who wish to learn about Wave Accounting so that they can serve their clients better. Well, that's about it. I'm glad to have you here. Look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.